students, I hope you all are fit and fine and doing well in studies. So, our 12th chapter, that is cleanliness, health and hygiene, is going on, and in this chapter our topic, that is conditions to maintain a healthy body, is going on, and our last point is left only, that is cleanliness. So, students, look at this video carefully and learn how to speak every word. So, firstly you have to open page number 136 of your book. Our topic is cleanliness, and in this topic we are going to study which are the things that pollutes our environment and how we can save our environment. So, let us start. So, first point is, we throw out so much rubbish or garbage every day from our homes, schools, shops and offices. Means instead of using dustbin, we can throw each and every garbage from our homes, schools, shops and offices in anywhere. Okay? So, the next line is, the grocery items that we purchase are packed in plastic bags or tins. So, all these wrapping material go out as garbage. So, the packing of every item is a waste. So, when this is thrown in open, heaps of it accumulate in the surrounding, making our environment dirty. Here is the word accumulate. Accumulate means gathering. Okay? When we throw the plastic wrappers in anywhere around us, then they gather with each other and form heaps and pollutes our environment, or you can say that making our environment dirty. Thus, avoid using the plastic bags because it causes pollution. Look at this picture here. When we throw the plastic bags, then this is a heap formed, means they gather with each other and they will form a heap, and so this looks very dirty and it causes our environment, or it can makes our environment dirty. Next point is, some people spit on the open and destroy the beauty of the place. Here is a man who is spitting on the wall, so it looks very dirty. So, next point is, some people eat groundnuts, fruits and throw its peels and shells on public places, which further destroy the cleanliness of the place. So, most of the people, they are doing that whenever they eat groundnuts, fruits, then they throw their peels and shells anywhere around their surrounding, but they doesn't feel that it looks very dirty and also pollutes our environments. So, we should use dustbin whenever we throw the waste material. Next point is, many toys and electronic waste thrown in open also becoming a source of garbage. When any electronic or toy is gone waste, then some people throw it in open area, but it looks very dirty and also pollutes our environment. Garbage destroys the beauty of the place. Also, it provides the unhealthy conditions. It becomes a breeding place for our germs, because when we throw garbage in open area, then at that place germs will be formed. They can spreading in large amount, and we know that the germs are very harmful for us because they causes diseases. Okay? So, thus garbage should not be thrown in the open. So, it is our duty that whenever we throw the garbage or any type of waste, then we can throw it in dustbin and not using the plastic bags, because this pollutes our environment.